Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 954-478-0974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Pinch me. I must be dreaming. Imagine waking up every day to your glorious golf and water vibes. You'll love the unique blend of living on a championship golf course in a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere, without the equity or mandatory membership. The estate homes in Laguna at Atlantic National Golf Club are just that: soaring vaulting ceilings, chic contemporary flair surround you with striking finishes. Top-of-the-line fixtures and updated kitchen to invigorate the most discerning chef. Sip cocktails in your own private paradise, lounging out on your oversized patio, or just relaxing in your hot tub. Spacious master bedroom with sitting area. Master bath updated in 2019. New roof from 2015. Newer ACA-rated schools convenient to award-winning shopping and activities. Must see.